You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of this Italian medievalist and philosopher, author. The Name of the Rose is his most famous book. Also Foucault's Pendulum. How to pronounce it? The Italian pronunciation, Umberto Eco. Umberto Eco. Therefore, in English, you can simply pronounce it as Umberto Eco. English pronunciation, Umberto Eco. From Italian, how to pronounce Umberto Eco. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.